lengicela siyithathe ngifune ne-therapist.
This time I shaya ngomunye ushuni.
Ngangigcine ungathanda ama-therapist kanje.
Ngi-anxious ukuthi kuzoyenzeka kanjani.
Engathi singaxoxa njengomndeni noma kunzima. Saqala manipulation.
Iman guys, asicaleni la. Usamke uyiblompoti na lapha kwaMseleku. Cause why is she not involved kule therapy? Because usamngena is also a wife lana uyayidinga na i-therapy. I understand ukufika kwakhe damaged the family and abafazi laba bebakwatile and stuff and bayadinga vele therapy with their husband. But nosamngena is also a human being. Almost makayikwenza usamke iblompoti. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So Umusa finally decided to go to therapy with all his wives. So he booked this lodge to just go and refresh our minds of us back and also know and learn ukuthi yini into abanimazayo and also bazikhulumele nabo ukuthi like yini i-change abayifunayo kuMusa, which is a good start because solo le season iqalile. It was drama after drama. We expected drama really because we saw last season ukuthi akuphelanga kahle. So he went to every wife's room and he gave them what's this? A painting board, nama paint, and he said everything you feel about this relationship and me, please draw it lana kule bodily. And then sobuya sikhulume ngayo. And we heard uMacele ukuthi ofuna ukucala nge-manipulation. That means Umusa is a master manipulator. He further on mentioned everything engamphathi kahle kule relationship lena nokuthi Umusa why afaka isitina esi-wrong makathi uyabuilda. He also mentioned that yena sekazozithulela because she knows ukuthi akathandeki whenever she speaks abantu bavele bangamthandi. And there's something missing about this episode. There was this time uMacele akhuluma noMusa ethi Uma Khumalo has a child. I wonder where did that episode go because mhlambi isazodlala. Yeah guys, but this is a great start to kule relationship yabo and we're super proud to whoever who advised Umusa ukuthi go to therapy with your wives and learn into wrong oyenzayo and abafuna ukuthi uyifixe and also what you want your wives to fix. My guys was shocked ukuthi I found Umusa like kodwa it's a great start. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? My thought is that I hope this works out and almost starts. I understand ukuthi sithanda drama ne. But bahethile labafazi futhi uMakhumalo. I think this is the time ukuthi nje Umusa eshintshe. I hope he changes. Thank you guys for watching.